Let us learn about the use of three-way water pipe connectors. In our daily life, we often have to replace the water pipe heads ourselves. Then let us use iTech's Gemini D printer to print a model and learn the principles. FDM Professional series of special application. Dual extruder mold, duplication mold, mirror mold, stable and high precision body, metal body processed with laser welding of the axis robot. EPCS industrial linear getting X-axis and RPCS industrial linear getting Y-axis filament testing. PLA 加 ABS muscle PET PC PP PA PP elastic PA carbon fiber PA glass fiber etc. Print model only for model learning purposes.